Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to do a quick review then demo for you on this WEP soldering iron set. This was the second one that I bought because the other one that I had didn't quite work for me. So I got this one and I loved it immediately right out of the box. So before we get too much further into the video or review, just want to tell you I absolutely do recommend this one. If you want to see it actually work, I'm going to attempt to do a quick demo. Kind of awkward, but I'll see what I can do. First thing you see, hopefully you can see it here, we have a digital display. Try to tip it up. There you go. So digital display. This here is there you go. I don't know if you heard it kick on, but this is like a hot air gun for like shrink wrap or shrink tubing that you can use. So I think that's a really cool thing and super convenient, obviously, with a soldering kit, because oftentimes you're soldering wire and might want to either crimp it together instead of solder, or you have some heat shrink tubing that you want to put around it. Now, so you see when I pick it up, the air comes on. When I set it back down, there you go. Set it back down the right position, it turns back off. Anyway, I'll get into it. Just try to see if I can give you a demo, show you how easy it is. So I've got it set. It's at 319 right now. I think I normally have it at around 350, but it should work. So first thing, go ahead and just get a little bit of solder, a tin on the soldering tip there. Then I'm gonna heat it up a little and get my wire in there, and hopefully you can see just that quick I applied solder to that black wire there. Do the same thing to the red one. Just kind of get the copper heated up a little bit so it can soak the solder up into it. And there, that quick. So if you do it fast enough, you don't have to worry about heating up the wire or burning the wire, because it just works that good. Now the hard part, because I'm making the LED sign, so I have these LED strips. So they have these little copper pads on them that I want to add a little bit more flux to before we actually attach our wire. First, I'm going to go ahead and use this brass cleaning here. Just clean that off a little bit. And you have to be really careful with these LEDs, so you don't want to have something that takes a long time, or you have too much heat on it, because you can burn them out. So just quickly heat it up a little. All right, just a second. I'm at a bad angle. Let me stand up and see if I can get it. So hopefully you can still see. So heat the pad, apply your solder there. So I don't know if you can see, we have a nice little pool of solder that flashed on that one. You can see it's quite a bit thicker than we have this one. So now I'll do the same thing on this one. Heat it up. There you go. You can see it flashed on, so it was really quick and easy. Now I want to go ahead and solder my wires to my LED strip. And to connect them, since we applied solder to both pieces, it should be pretty easy. Just go ahead and heat it up. Bam, that's it. Got our positive cable soldered. And then I'll come in on the other side. Maybe I should have did the negative first so you could see it. Get it close and get them heated up evenly. Okay, there we go. So anytime you solder, you want to go ahead and clean your soldering tip off, then tin it again so it keeps it protected, and put it back away. Turn your machine off so it's safe. But yeah, so you can see, super easy to use, and it did the job really quickly. So like I said at the beginning, I really like this, and I do highly recommend it.